In this video, I will show you how to block or prevent unwanted WhatsApp group added and unwanted community added in WhatsApp. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp app. Then go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Click on Settings. Click on Privacy. Then scroll down right here. Click on Groups. Then switch to My Contact. It's that simple. With that, no one will be able to add you to unwanted group or community in WhatsApp. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.